discuss the Poisson distribution. So our lecture is Poisson distribution. A random variable x is said to have a Poisson distribution. So previously we already discussed Bernoulli distribution and a binomial distribution. In this case, x is a random variable, is a binomial distribution. It has density function. In Bernoulli case also it has a density function. So every density function is individual. So in this case, a random variable x is said to have a Poisson distribution if its probability density function is given by, okay, a random variable x is said to have Poisson distribution if its probability density function is given by f of x equal to e power minus lambda lambda power x by x factorial, e power minus lambda lambda power x by x factorial, where x equals 0 1 2 3 and so on infinity. These are discrete values, okay, where lambda is parameter which value is greater than 0. Lambda is parameter which value is greater than 0. Simply we write 0 less than lambda less than infinity is a parameter. We denote such a random variable. Such a random variable means we denote the Poisson distribution. If x is a distributed to Poisson, that can be written as, we denote x approximately distributed Poisson, POI lambda. Lambda is variable. Okay, POI of lambda. Okay, see here one example is the real valued function defined by f of x equal to e power minus lambda lambda power x by x factorial. Here lambda equal to n into p. So n is indicated the number of trials, p is indicated the success probability. Okay, in binomial case, so what we are defined n and p. So in Poisson distribution, lambda is equal to n into p, number of trials into success probability. N into p is equal to lambda. Okay, see here is the real valued function defined by f of x equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. So x equal to 0 1 2 3 and so on infinity, where lambda is defined 0 to infinity is a parameter. Is the function is probability density function or not? Should depend that, determine that one. Okay, if it is a valid density function, so summation, so total sum is exactly equal to the 1 because of the properties of density function. If it is a density function, it has two properties. First one is greater than or equal to 0. Second one is the sum of the density function total value is equal to the 1. Total sum is equal to 1 simply. Okay, it is easy to check f of x is greater than or equal to non-negative property. Okay, lambda is a parameter which value is 0 to infinity. So lambda power x is positive values, 0 1 2 3 and so on infinity. These are discrete positive values. So whatever it is lambda value, okay, lambda is always greater than 0. Okay, e for lambda minus lambda is also positive. Lambda for x is also positive because of lambda positive, x is positive. Its power function is also positive. So x factor is always positive. So total value is also positive. Is it non-negative or not? Which is non-negative. Which is easy to check the non-negativity. So we show the total sum is equal to 1. Okay, we show the total sum is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, so given function f of x is the valid density function. Otherwise, is not an valid density function. You check it. Is it 1 or not? See here, summation x equal to 0 to infinity f of x equal to summation x equal to 0 to infinity say f of x value density function. I just am putting that value. E power minus lambda is take common. So because in summation x is only variable, even not terms are constants. So summation x equal to 0 to infinity lambda power x by x factorial. So this is the series. Okay, this is the e power lambda series. Okay, e power x equal to the so series expansion 1 plus x power 1 by 1 factor, x power 2 by 2 factor plus and so on, x power n by n factor and so on. That can be written as simply summation r equal to 0 to infinity x power r by r factorial. Same similarly here, in place of x is lambda and r is x. Okay, we can write this total value equal to e power lambda. Same, these two series are equal, but so terms are different. Just I am writing e for lambda. So bases are equal, then power should be add. The total value is e for 0. E for 0 equal to the 1. So we shown this. Okay, is non-negative and total sum is equal to 1. So two properties are satisfied. So therefore f of x is the valid density function, probability density function, or we can call otherwise probability mass function, probability mass function or mass function or probability density function. So whatever we call, okay. So this thing you can determine mean, variance and moment generative functions for the given random variable what we are defined in given random variable. If x is a discrete random variable distributed Poisson distribution, then mean, variance and moment generated function are given by mean, variance and moment generated functions are given by e of x mean lambda, variance is also equal to lambda, moment generating function is equal to e for lambda into e for lambda into e for t minus 1 is exponential of lambda into e for t minus 1. Okay, you should show these three values. Okay, you can determine mean and variance from the moment generated function, but now I'm defining individually. So e for x is mean, so that mean can be defined as some in discrete case summation x equals 0 to infinity x into f of x. So x power 1 into f of x. If put x power 2, that is e of x square, that is second moment. X cube means third moment, x power 4 means fourth moment. So I need only first moment, that is e of x equal to x into f of x summation of. So f of x we are just replacing. So lambda for x can be split into lambda for x minus 1 into lambda, and x factor can be written as x into x minus 1 factorial. Okay, x into x minus 1 factor lambda for x minus 1 into lambda. So e power minus lambda x can be cancelled, e power minus lambda take common. Okay, and lambda is also take common. So remaining terms are summation x equal to 1 to infinity. Why? Because here x equals 0 to infinity, but here we are putting x equal to 1 to infinity, because of if you put x equal to 0, that value is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 factor is not exist. Only positive can be exist. That's why we put the x equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, no? So x equal to 1 to infinity lambda for x minus 1 by x minus 1 factorial. If put x equal to 1, that is 1 minus 1 0 factorial lambda for 0. Next x equal to 2 x lambda for 1 by 1 factorial and so on. So this is also series expansion of e power lambda. Just I'm putting that value e power lambda. So basis equal, then power should be add the total value equal to e power 0. Lambda and e power 0 values, lambda is the mean value. Next I calculated the second moment. So second moment e of x square equal to x square into f of x. So x square can be written as in binomial case, same symbol here also, x into x minus 1 plus x. So multiply with f of x. In these two terms are there. First one is summation x equals 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 f of x, first one. Second one is summation x into f of x, second one. You know the x into f of x values we already determined, previous one is mean value. You can determine one the first one. Okay, see here is the first term and is the second term. You know the second term value is lambda. So because we already determined is mean, so I need to determine the first one only. I am calculating the first one. That calculation is x equals 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 e power minus lambda for x by x factorial. So e power minus lambda is take common, and lambda for x by x factorial can be split. That value is lambda for x minus 2 into lambda for 2 by x factor can be written as x into x minus 1 to x minus 2 factorial. These two terms will be cancelled. Okay, so numerator is e power minus lambda into lambda for 2 into lambda for x minus 2 by x minus 2 factorial. So put x equal to 2 to infinity. Because of x equal to 1 is negative all, x equal to 0 is also negative, x equal to 2 is 0 to 0 factorial 1 factor and so on. Okay, na? So this total value is, you know, the is e for lambda series expansion. Just I am putting the e for lambda. These two terms will be cancelled. We will get the lambda power 2 is second moment. So you know the variance is equal to 1. Second moment equal to is first term plus mean value, that is lambda power 2 plus lambda. Okay, na? The total variance equal second moment minus mean square. So put the two values, second moment value minus mean value whole power 2. These two terms will be cancelled. Only will the variance is equal to lambda. Okay, next we have to show the moment generated function equal to exponential of lambda into e power t minus 1. So moment generated function equal summation x equals 0 to infinity e power tx into f of x. Okay, exponential of e power tx, which is summation of e power tx into f of x value. Okay, so lambda for x and e power t whole power x, these two terms are power are equal. Just I'm writing the two terms is equal to lambda and e power to whole power x by x factorial. Okay, e power minus lambda is common term. So this total term can be written as exponential of e power lambda into e power t. Okay, bases equal, then you should add powers, that is e exponential of e of lambda into e power t minus lambda. In these two terms, lambda is common term, is a moment generated function. Okay, moments can also be generated from the moment generated function by differentiating at t equal to 0. That is nth moment is, you know, the exponential of x power n about the origin, which is equal to nth derivative with respect to t moment generated function at t equal to 0. Okay, so put n equal to 1, that is the first moment main, n equal to second moment, n equal to the third moment. You can calculate every moment by using this formula. Okay, na? See here one problem. Let x have a probability Poisson distribution. Okay, let x have a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda equal to 1. What is the probability that x greater than or equal to 2? Given that x less than or equal to 4, you should calculate under the condition x less than or equal to 4. Okay, you should calculate probability of x greater than or equal to 2 under the condition is x less than or equal to 4. That is the conditional probability. Okay, probability of x greater than or equal to 2 by x less than or equal to 4. Probability of a by b, that is conditional probability. You know the formula, probability of a by b equal probability of a intersection b by probability of b. Okay, that is intersection b means x greater than 2, greater than 2 means x 2 to infinity, and x less than or equal to 4. In these two terms, intersection point is probability of x greater than or equal to less than or equal to 4. That can be written as 2 less than or equal to 4, x less than or equal to 4 by probability of x less than or equal to 4. You can calculate individually first one and second one. Just I'm calculating so directly, which is equal to first one 2 to 4. So probability of summation x equal to 2 to 4, 2 to 4 f p of x or f of x. Second one is x less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means, so what is the possibilities? X equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4. That is summation x equal to 0 to 4 f of x or p of x. Okay, so first one is f of x or p of x value, density function values. Just I am replacing that value. Okay, and denominator also. So numerator and denominator you should calculate individually. Okay, lambda equal to 1 since lambda equal to 1, given that. Okay, e for minus 1 lambda for 1 x, sorry, lambda for x by x factor, lambda equal to 1 for x by x factorial. So denominator is also e for minus 1 for x by x factorial. Okay, in these two terms, e for minus 1 will be cancelled 1 by e. Summation x equal to 2 to 4 1 by x factorial, 1 by x factorial here also. So adding first one and second one. Okay, we will get the 17 by 65 is the value. See here another problem. If the moment generated function of random variable x is mx of t equal to m of t equal to e power 4.6 e for t minus 1, then what are the mean and variance of x? What is the probability that x is between 3 and 6? That is p of 3 less than x less than 6. Okay, you should calculate mean, variance and this probability. Okay, since moment generated function of x is given by m of t equal to e for 4.6 e for t minus 1. Okay, you know the moment generated function of Poisson distribution is e power, in Poisson distribution, e power lambda into e power t minus 1. In place of lambda here 4.6, so with lambda equal 4.6. Conclude that x is distributed Poisson with parameter lambda equal 4.6. You know the mean and variance of Poisson distribution is exactly equal, they are coincide. C of x equal lambda and sigma square equal to lambda, both are equal. So 4.6 and 4.6. So note, mean and variance of Poisson distribution are coincide, are equal. Okay, equal. So probability of 3 less than x less than 6. In between 3 to 6 should determine. That means p of x equal to 4 and x equal to 5. Add these two terms. You know the density function is e power minus lambda power 6 by x factorial. Okay. So put x equal to 4 one time, x equal to 5 one time, and put lambda equal to 4.6. You get the 0.36 is final value.